In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments with PayPal in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone looking to streamline payment processes, you'll find this guide helpful. So let's dive in and get started right away. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal homepage. Simply type in the URL or click the link to go directly there. Once you're on the PayPal site, you'll notice a range of features and services they offer. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make navigation much easier going forward. Next up, it's time to log into your PayPal account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're logging in from a new device or location, PayPal might ask for additional verification. Follow the instructions to ensure your login session is secure. Now, you might be prompted to choose between getting a text message or a WhatsApp message for verification. Choose your preferred method and confirm your identity with the received code. This secondary verification helps keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, you can proceed to the main dashboard. You should now be on the PayPal homepage. From here, navigate to your wallet by finding the wallet link or tab. This area shows you your available balance and linked bank accounts or credit cards. Make sure your account details are up to date to avoid any payment issues. After reviewing your account, it's time to start requesting payments. Click on the request button visible on your dashboard. This feature allows you to send payment requests to clients, friends, or customers directly through PayPal. It's a convenient way to streamline your payment processing. To finalize your request, click on Request Payment From. This leads you to a form where you can enter the email address or phone number of the person from whom you wish to request payment. Make sure to double check the entered details to prevent any errors. There's also an option to add a note or description which can be helpful in explaining the purpose of the payment. Once you've filled out the information, review it one last time to make sure everything is accurate. When you're ready, go ahead and hit the send button. Your payment request is now on its way, and all that's left is to wait for the recipient to approve and complete the transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the PayPal interface to accept payments. Whether you need this for personal or business reasons, PayPal offers a reliable and convenient solution for managing transactions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below.